In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close your MailerLite account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Closing your MailerLite account is a straightforward process, but it's important to take your time and follow each step carefully. First things first, grab your device, whether that's your computer or your tablet, and let's get started. The very first step is to open MailerLite in your web browser, and if you haven't already, log in using your credentials. I'll give you a moment to do that, so just sit back and enter your email and password. Once you're in, we're going to navigate to some settings. Now, look for the account settings, usually found in the upper right corner of your dashboard. It often looks like a little user icon, or could be labeled as your name. Click on that to open up a drop-down menu. You'll be looking for an option labeled Account Settings or something very similar. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the important options regarding your account can be found. Once you're in the account settings, you should see various tabs across the screen. What you need to do now is look for the tab that says Company Profile. Click on that. This will take you to the section where you can view all the details related to your account profile. Now, with Company Profile selected, you'll want to scroll down a bit. It's down there where you'll find an option related to account deletion. It might take a moment to get there, but it's important to locate this section carefully because this is where the magic happens. Once you've found the Account Deletion section, there will be a button or a link that says Delete Account. Go ahead and click on that. Now this is a crucial moment, so make sure you're really ready to move forward. Once you click that option, you should see a deletion notice pop up on your screen. Believe me, you'll want to read this notice carefully. It's important to understand what it means for your data, your list of subscribers, and any ongoing campaigns. Make sure you're aware of what will happen when you delete your account, because once you proceed, it often means that your information will be permanently removed. This is not something that's reversible, so take your time to fully understand the implications. If you've read through the deletion notice and you're sure that you want to proceed, go ahead and click the button that says Continue. This is usually what confirms your intent to permanently delete your account. After clicking Continue, you might see a final confirmation prompt. This is just MailerLite, making absolutely sure you want to take this step. They really want you to be sure about this decision as they don't want you to accidentally delete your account if you're not ready. If you confirm again, that's it. Your account will be permanently closed. Just like that, you've successfully managed to delete your MailerLite account. It's simple, isn't it? Now, whether it was for reasons of downsizing your tools, moving to a different platform, or perhaps you've completed a project, knowing how to do this is always useful. Remember, before you go off to explore other platforms or new tools, it's always best to double-check if you've exported any data or taken care of subscribers as per your needs. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide useful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Have a great day.